Play music with Bluetooth. The first time you use any device, you'll need to connect it. Check that Bluetooth is turned on. Then press Home on your remote. Select Settings and Setup. Go to Music and check that music is allowed to be sent to this SkyQ box. Then select Add a new Bluetooth device. Search for available Bluetooth connections on your device and choose your Skybox from the list. You may also have to check that the code matches the one on your TV screen. Then simply select to connect the device to your TV. You should now be able to listen to music through your TV using Bluetooth. For more information, go to sky.com/help. Check out more Sky Help videos and remember to subscribe.